So when you invest in tokens, you can't only participate in the way up. Currently, it's more the way down. But you can also participate in the roadmap through governance. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the jungle of investing. This jungle has grown quite a bit. Quantitative easing, cheap money, loose monetary policies, and so these inflation trees and whatnot have grown quite a bit. And it's gotten quite challenging to navigate through this jungle, come across when it comes to investing, because, as Hannah said, tools that we've used in the past, such as the 60-40 equity to bond portfolio, have gotten blunt. They're no longer working as they used to. And I think that's also a reason why many of you are here today, to look for alternatives, to look at alternative solutions. And what you're seeing behind me is a rough lay of the land of the alternative investment space. We, the BFI Capital Group, have been around for about 30 years, and we've invested in physical precious metals, traditional equities, hedge funds, but my personal passion, digital assets, is now also something that we're engaging in. And I would like to talk more about this with you today. The reason is, when talking about digital assets, the notion that I get when talking with people, reading the headlines is, first off, digital assets are more than just cryptocurrencies. Yes, currencies is a part of it, but there's much more to it. The second thing is, if you want to participate in the space, there's more can you do than just hodling. And that's not me not being able to write English, but that's a term in the crypto scene referencing buying an asset and basically holding it indefinitely, or also having diamond hands. So let's quickly have a look at this. First off, as I mentioned, yes, currencies, it's a part of digital assets. You can buy your drink with Bitcoin, stable coins, not so stable coins, and maybe in future also more central backed digital currencies. But apart from that, for example, if you look at the security side, equities, real estate, the Ferrari that's getting towed in front of the Kaufleuten, these are all off-world assets you could bring to digital space through this digital interface of the blockchain technology by tokenizing it, etc. What you can also do is, on the utility side, so when you invest in tokens, you can't only participate in the way up, currently it's more the way down, but you can also participate in the roadmap through governance, deciding how, throwing your vote into the ballot box, how should things go? Or also in the real world. Coachella, very well-known music festival. What are they doing? They're marrying the offline and the online world by selling their VIP tickets for $1 million a pop as NFTs, providing you with the offline experience, but also combining it with online benefits. Now, this all sounds very dandy and you're very intrigued. How can you invest? Well, there are multiple ways to go about it. As you can see on the other chart, you can invest in venture capital, early stage startup in the space. You can be quantitative, trading purely based on signals. You can take a fundamental view, for example, in gaming, DeFi, become a value investor, long-term. Or you can be opportunistic. For example, Ethereum 1 should merge with Ethereum 2. It's been taking a while, and it'll still take a bit maybe, but hey, one day the moment will come, maybe you can make a buck there, or you can take a better approach, basically investing into the market. Now, I understand this can be very confusing, convoluting, a lot of sectors, a lot of strategies, and that's actually where we then come into play. Because for us, to enter this digital asset space, what we've been doing for our own funds, family, friends, investors, is we've taken a route to have an access-enhanced and risk-adjusted approach to investing in digital assets by launching our fund-of-funds solution, where we diversify our investments across managers, sectors, strategies, or regions, to at the end create for our investors a one-stop shop approach, a holistic portfolio, which name is Alt Alpha Digital, and you can read more about it on www.altalphadigital.com, or hit me up later. Happy to have a chat with you guys, and giving you 45 seconds back to spare. Thank you very much.